I'm Arvid, and every day I share one core Twitter idea from my Twitter course Find Your Following. Today, I want to talk about the 4 kinds of engagement that you can use as a framework to engage meaningfully with other people's content. So, when you engage on Twitter, when you interact with anybody else's conversations, you have 4 things you can do, and they are happening on 2 axes. One of them is the content axis. You can zoom into content and you can zoom out of content. The other one is the people axis. You can share and syndicate to a lot of people, or you can invite specific people. Let me talk about all 4 real quick. Zooming into content means asking very specific questions to give a more detailed perspective on some piece of content. Zooming out of content means asking open ended questions that put that particular piece of content into context with other things in the field. If somebody talks about software engineering, a programming language, you can zoom in by asking what specific problems that can solve well, and you can zoom out by asking how it compares to other programming languages. The idea is to give an additional perspective for the people consuming that particular piece of content to see something else, something new, something interesting. And that might also get them to follow you as a source of getting them informed. Now, if you talk about people, you can share to a lot of people and expose the conversation to your own audience and other people's audiences, or you can invite specific experts that you know will contribute to that conversation. So, on the people level, you can either go big or go precise, just as much as you can zoom in and zoom out on the content scale. All of these 4 methods will make you an interesting person to follow because you give people a new perspective on the content that they already consumed. If you like this idea today, please tune in tomorrow for the next one.